in the Navy. So that's the road we need to go down. It does lead to a fire.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got to film an intro to this video as well as forgetting to talk much at all in this video. But I'm up on Denby Moors again with Callum, just casually social distancing, getting some exercise and taking some photos. Started out as a very nice afternoon, a nice bit of sun in the sky, a few clouds, lovely and calm down on the water's edge, and then this happened. Storms and thunder and lightning. It was pretty mad. It was great fun, I have to say. Obviously be careful around thunder and lightning, don't get yourself killed, but just being out here, especially for myself, I don't get out half as much as Callum does. It's so good to just experience nature in its full force like that. So hopefully I got some good photos. I did take some footage as well. I'll try and piece something together. Hope you enjoy it. See the rain's coming down over there now.
Down to the valley. Just bluebells.
Hello everyone. I cannot remember where we left off with the last video, but I'm back again with Callum over there.
What's up?
Storm chasing. We're right in the middle of Denby Moors at the moment. Even if I gave you place names, you'll have no idea where it is. But we're just driving to the dark area, basically, hoping to catch something. So, we'll see what we get. Thank you, driver.
Just absolutely doing. I called and need your help.
Okay, so we're up sort of above Llanrwst, that sort of direction. Well, that's where we're looking anyway. It's starting to kick off a bit. So yeah, there's a lot of bolts, there's a lot of rumbling as well. I shouldn't say bolts, there's been a lot of flashes. I've got a camera on time lapse right now. Hopefully I might catch something, we'll have to see. But yeah, it's starting to come all around us now, really. So again, we'll see what we get.
Usually when this boundary line gets to us, then you can hear the sound. So before, like, we're just in front of that yellow dot.
Right.
So when they hit, they're fresh. So all these right now, tiny bit lagged. Where they ping, that's why it sounds like a constant rumble, because all of these are going mad. Heath lives there.
Yeah.
Another noise is going to hit us in a minute.
So we found the storm. Still no idea if we've actually got any shots or not to show, but it is pounding down.
My thunder map, waiting for the sound, I was like, it's right overhead right now, it's going to go mad.
Everyone, right mate? And then lad, Jack.
Why do you look like a builder?
Oh, because I've been working with that.
I've been this side once since where you gone in though.
So yes, we found the storms, and honestly, I didn't get a single image that I was happy with. But as always, the light after the storm was far, far superior. As soon as the rain lifted, the valleys were filled with cloud, rolling through the valleys, through the trees, and it was stunning. We probably hung around here for another half an hour or so. Our old friend Hev, who we mentioned previously, turned up out of the blue, so it was great to see him and shoot some photos. And yes, I have cleaned my sensor.
Yeah, there wouldn't be a fence there, you'd just be able to...
So it was a pretty successful day.
Super successful day.
No lightning, well, no shots of lightning, but still. Yeah, didn't expect that on the way back either, so. Anyway, this has been going on for 2 months now, so I'll get going. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, please do hit subscribe down below. Getting very close to 1,000 now, so yeah, do it. If you liked it, give it a like, and if you've got any questions at all, then drop a comment down below. Be sure to get back to you. Then until next time, be good, stay safe, and see you in the next video.
In the Navy.